What excuse will your husband give tonight for not having a fire?
It rained last month. The wood's wet. I saw a spider in the kindling this morning. Uh-oh, we're out of newspaper.
Lighting a fire can be hard work, so don't blame your husband. Get Duraflame. Duraflame fire logs light easily and burn for 3 long hours.
You know, I really like fires. I don't know why we don't have them more often.
Duraflame, the easy way to have all the fires you want.